Welcome to Let's Talk Meshing Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature in just a couple of minutes. In today's video, we're going to show you how you can save sources to a file and use them in other projects. So what you can see on the screen here is a glider, an aircraft, with a number of sources that have been created. There are some cylindrical sources behind each of the wingtips to help capture the tip vortices, provide some additional resolution in the volume mesh. We've got some box sources behind the wings, some sheet sources behind the vertical and horizontal stabilizers. And what we'd like to do is go ahead and save these sources and all of their attributes and all of the defaults for sources to a project file, so that what we can do is when we start meshing, say, a new aircraft or a variation of this aircraft, we can just import those sources again rather than having to create them from scratch. So you can reuse them from project to project. To do this, all you need to go ahead and do is go to File, Save Sources As. It'll prompt you for a file name and a location. So we'll just say file name sources, click Save. And it has saved those sources and all of their attributes, as well as any defaults for sources, to a project file. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is open a blank project. All right, so here we have a blank project. What I'll do now is go to File, Open, and click Sources, and go ahead and click Open, and you can see that it's loaded those sources into the current project. And now what I can go ahead and do is I can put them in a layer and turn them off, load in an aircraft, start working on it, and then enable those sources so that I can get some volumetric refinement in the same regions as I had for, say, the other variation of this aircraft. And that's how you save sources to a file. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And if you have any questions or comments, drop us a line down below or connect with us on Twitter, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.